let's work a little bit more with the class-based views. So we're going to get back to our code, and I'm going to close all of this stuff here. Okay, and this time we're going to work with our notes app. So what we can do is we can go to our views.py inside the notes app, and we're going to change all of these items. So the first thing is that we need to import the generic from the Django. So what we're going to do is here we're going to say from Django views generic, we're going to import list view. Okay, so we need to import list view. Okay, so let's save that. And right before the list here, we're going to create a class. We're going to say class notes list view. Okay, so that's going to inherit from the list view here. And then we need to set the model. So the model which we want to set up over here is the notes model. Okay, that's the notes model. And we need to specify a context object name. That's because we gave this thing over here, right? So we need to set that up. So what we can do is we can say context underscore object underscore name. Okay, so we're going to set this to notes. That's it. Now we can get rid of this list view over here. Okay, so save this. So now we need to change the URL. Let's go to urls.py, which is in the notes app. So here we're going to say views dot notes list view dot as view. Okay, so that's the function. Let's save that. Now let's get back to the browser, and I'm going to go to the front end here. Then we're going to say smart notes. You can see that we still can see all the list of the notes here.